We are entering a completely different era with agencies because the AI website I'm about to show you doesn't just look good, it pitches itself to local businesses. With a self-selling AI demo, a local business can see the value of what you're offering before you even talk to them. And with AI being able to build almost all of this for you, it is the most beginner-friendly, easiest service to fulfill, meaning you can take on way more clients in a shorter amount of time. So we're going to get right to it, and I'm just going to show you how to make self-selling demos like this one sell itself to local businesses. So real quick, if you don't know what a smart website is, it is basically a website that has AI integrated so it can talk to you, sell and do customer support 24/7, all kinds of stuff. But I also have a self-selling demo side of this that takes it a step further, which is this, where it is an interactive guide that guides them to a specific finish point, going through selling them, which is this part, which shows them the value, and then closing them, which is whatever you want to be, selling them on your product, collecting invoice, or talking to them. And because AI can do so much of the work for you in building this stuff out with local businesses, this is the most beginner-friendly, easiest offer to sell. And the cool part too is because of the value, again, we're not just selling a regular website, we're selling an AI website. We can actually collect good monthly recurring money for this. I'm talking up to $497 per month. And you could even charge a setup fee if you wanted to, even though I don't recommend that. And then if you stack enough of these, okay, over and over again, you get your workload down, but the money keeps flowing in. That is the beauty of monthly recurring revenue. So that's the first thing. These are very beginner-friendly to sell because, well, they're awesome and they're very valuable. But the other thing that's really powerful is these actually, with these demos, can almost legitimately sell themselves to local businesses. And if you don't believe me, check out what some of these people who are using this exact same strategy, selling these AI agents to local businesses, are saying.
And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
When you do that, now they're selling themselves. It kind of also takes the pressure off of me in the sales process, which I like.
Yeah, well, hence the self-selling.
No, and I'm not kidding. It was like the agent sold itself. Straight up. It sold itself.
And I have so many more videos just like that of people coming and going, oh my gosh, the AI agent was selling itself. So again, if you suck at sales and you suck at fulfillment, this kind of can do it for you. And that's why I recommend you guys to do these kinds of business models. Now, obviously it takes work, but it is beginner friendly truly. So let me go over exactly what we're going to be covering in this video, because now you understand exactly what we're selling and that stuff. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to find the local businesses, okay, on Google. Then I'm going to show you how to use special AI features like these two to do all of the work for you. That is, build out the exact website so it mirrors them, so they see it in their head. This is part of the demo. Building out the AI agents, which are these, really fast. And by the way, AI is going to do all of this for us. And then most importantly, how to properly run them through these kinds of demos so they understand the value. And then from there, figuring out price point and just moving forward. I also want to let you know that I'm not trying to sell you some course in this video or some outdated coaching program. None of that, don't worry. I also want to let you know that I'm not just some guy in a robe yapping. I've won awards on screen, as you see right here. So I've really walked the walk. And again, you're seeing that. So this is honestly, in my opinion, the best business model of 2026. Everyone should be doing it. And it's also super beginner friendly. So without further ado, let's just go and jump right into this process. Okay, so first things first, we need to find the proper business. So come right into Google, type in your niche, chiropractor, HVAC electrician. This works for anybody. Put it in, and then put in a location. Where is it? Is it in Seattle? Is it in Wyoming? Is it in Washington, D.C.? Put that in. And then you're going to come right here and you're going to click more places. And this is going to give you access to a bunch of different businesses. And the way this is going to go down is we're going to take some of these people's websites. We're going to add in the AI agents. We're going to redo it slightly to make it better. And then we're going to send them that demo so they can see, oh my gosh, this actually works. Because this is a really important point that you need to understand. And if you have any questions, drop in the comments at all during this video if you're confused. But you have to, and I mean this, this is like, if you don't understand this part, the rest of this is not going to make sense and you're not going to do well. You have to show them what AI does, not tell them. Everyone and their mother is going up to local businesses going, get AI, get AI, get AI. Everyone's hearing AI everywhere, on the news, on social media, it's everywhere. But no one is showing. That is why we create these demos, to go, this is what this does. Because especially for the oldest business owners, they think this is all hype because there's so many idiots out here just going, buy AI, and they have no idea what it means. But when you show them, listen, this can do customer support and sales 24/7 for your business through these via these AI voice agents, it changes the way they see it. So I created this for a plumber. As you see right here, I was able to add in a calculator where they can come in, they can click clog drain, pick time. It'll give, you know, a pricing for the booking, all this amazing stuff. On top of that, having AI agents and other stuff on the website. And yes, I created this in minutes using a vibe coder. Also, and this this is just one example. I created this amazing fitness website where if they come in here, it will change around, showing them different workouts, what parts of the body it's hitting. Again, vibe coded. So this is not like a normal business website where it's like, okay, here's a form, here's that. These are responsive. These have extra added features. They can actually solve problems on the website. You don't have to say, hey, get a free consultation. You can just vibe code and have amazing applications on said website just like this. And on top of that, add in AI agents. So what I'm trying to get you to see is that these new websites are not just static websites for local businesses. These are websites that solve problems, not just by doing lead gen, by having AI chatbots and stuff, but you can legitimately add in stuff like calculators and applications to the website. So what I'm going to show you now, because this is really important, is how to build these in seconds, if not minutes, using AI very quickly, but more importantly, how to sell this for a good recurring monthly price to local business owners. So let's walk into this. Let's not waste any time. Let's just go right in. If you have any questions, by the way, during this video at all, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer personally. So first things first, let me explain to you what a vibe code builder is. Now I'm going to go into how to get one of these properly for free and a bunch of other stuff, so don't worry. But first, let me explain. This is essentially a place where you type in what you want and then AI builds it, kind of like what you're seeing on the screen right now. I just type in and then AI builds it in minutes. Guys, this kind of stuff would be so hard to code. Okay, so hard if you were doing this from scratch, like literally days, if not weeks. But with vibe coders, you can do it almost instantly. And so many businesses want this kind of stuff. So now that you understand what this is and how it works, you got part number one down. But part number two is where the real money is made. And that is what is about to blow you away. And that is, how do we sell this to local businesses for recurring money? And what I'm about to show you, the way we're going to use this vibe coder, will blow you away, because this is the part where you will realize this is the most beginner friendly service, but also it helps local businesses tremendously. So let's just jump right into this process. So you're going to go right into Google Maps. You're going to search niche, then location, then you're going to come right down, and you can literally pick any of these. And then you're going to find businesses that have less than desirable websites. So we're going to go down, and we're just going to pick, let's pick these people. Again, this is for educational purposes. I am just picking. Yeah, their website is not great. Okay, could definitely use a bunch of different stuff. Doesn't have any good quality forms, stuff to spice up. Doesn't have AI agents, I see. This one, not that great. So what we can do is we can take this exact URL, okay, copy it, come right into said vibe coder, and this is what we're going to do. Make this website more modern and way better with a custom plumber calculator. So that's all we're going to do, and we're going to paste this right in here, and then we're going to click enter. Now what's going to happen is the vibe coder is going to go, it's going to take this website, redo it in minutes, and then give it back to us, okay? And then right after I show you the exact result of this, I'm then going to show you, well, how do we reach out and get this to them? Because this is like the ultimate way to essentially show up and be like, hey, I have something for you already, and it will blow them away. And guys, real quick, while this is loading, I just want to let you know, there is so many businesses that need new websites and so many businesses that need AI agents. At the time of this video, this is possibly the most unsaturated business niche you can go into. Boom, look at this. Look how insane this is. In seconds, this is what it just built for me. It even has a custom calculator that changes price with what we click. Look at his booking links, everything. I mean, you see how much better this is than this? It's literally, and this was created in seconds. We can add all kinds of things too. If I wanted to come back in here and let's say, ask it, say, change the colors, add different logos, add this, add that, I can do that. I just text, tell it what I want, and it does it. Do you see how powerful this is? I tell it what to do and it does it, as opposed to building a website manually, which takes forever. This does it like this, and it has these features like a smart calculator. I don't see that here. You guys have to understand just how powerful this is. And the crazy part is you can do this as being a beginner, so you don't need any experience. So there's a couple different ways we can do this. So first off, you're going to want to go to Google Maps. You're going to want to put in the industry. So plumber, electrician, HVAC, lawyer, whatever you want to put, then the location. From there, you'll get results popping up like this. Now what we need to do is we need to reach out to these business owners. So I first recommend you go through and you look at their websites to see which ones are plain, which ones are bad. You can just do just what I did. Again, I'm not trying to pick on these business owners. It's the first website I clicked. This is for educational purposes, so don't get mad at me. But just go through and see ones that are just not up to par. You know, ones that don't have proper forms, AI agents, or calculators. And then from there, all you need to do is, just like I did, take their URL, put it in here, build them a new website in minutes or even seconds using the vibe coder, and then most importantly, get in touch with them. And if you're interested in getting more hand-holding for free and all this stuff, I recommend you check out my private community. Again, it's free with the 30 days down below, but this is really going to help you get the hand-holding you need, because we're going to go over getting clients with you, help with sales, how to get clients advanced, learning GoHighLevel better, help with GoHighLevel so you understand this, Q&A with me so you can see that I'm a real person, and then setting up GoHighLevel systems. You got to message me whenever you want, but we have like all the trainings. We have literally everything everything you could possibly want in this community. Also, as you see here, real people winning, real people landing clients. Like, this isn't just something that I'm going, hey, get this. It's like a legit community. The thing is too, guys, and I want to be really clear, the whole AI wave, I don't know how long it's going to last. Right now, it's like amazing because business owners don't have it and it's easy to sell, but I don't know how long that can last. That's why you need to move fast. And no one else is giving away what I give away for free. So again, I'm not just trying to hype you up, but like, this is kind of a no-brainer. Also, if you don't like it after 30 days, see ya. Like, no one's giving these kind of risk-free things. So check it out, guys. I hope you like it. Please, if you have questions, drop them in the comments down below. And regardless of if you join my community for free, just do this anyway. Just like, please learn how to do AI and sell to local business. It's a huge opportunity. Even if you don't like me, just do it anyway. It's just really powerful. But I'm gonna link a video at the end of this video that's gonna go in depth on what you get in my community a little more so you can see like real people are winning with this. Because I can yap all day about Zbig. It's so amazing, but anyone can do that. I want to actually show you why. So that video's gonna pop in a second. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up right now.